Amazon just rolled out a feature that could explode your sales overnight. If you are not using Shoppable Collection yet, your competition will leave you behind. Let's break it down. What is it, how it works, and why smart Amazon sellers are jumping in right now. Hey sellers, welcome back to Spectrum BPO, your e-commerce growth partner. Today we are diving into Amazon's brand new Shoppable collection. Forget everything you know about static product pages. This is the next level of interactive visual selling. Imagine turning your lifestyle images and videos into clickable, shoppable experience. Customers see your product in action, tap directly on what they want, and instantly add it to their cart, all without leaving the page. No more boring catalogs. Now you are telling a story with your products, inspiring shoppers and making it effortless to buy. Group your products into themes. Think bestsellers, holiday favorite, or complete the look. Tag products directly in your lifestyle images and videos. Link everything back to your Amazon brand store for maximum traffic and cross-selling. Picture this: a shopper sees your summer picnic scene, tap the cooler, sunglasses, and picnic blanket. Boom, all three are in their cart seconds. That is the power of Shoppable Collection. Early data from Amazon Inspire and Shoppable ads show higher product pages, views, more engagement, and surge in new to brand customers. Shoppable Collection reduce buying friction, boost discovery, and can seriously raise your average order value. This is about turning browser into buyers fast. Use high quality lifestyle visuals that show your products in action. Keep your inventory up to date. Nothing kills the vibe like an out of stock tag. Get creative with your themes, bundle complimentary products, tap into seasonal trends, and tell a story with every collection. So don't make these mistakes. Blurry or organic images. Your visuals need to inspire. Outdated collection or empty inventory. Random groupings that don't make sense of your brand. Remember, this is about creating an experience, not just listing products. Shoppable collections are Amazon's move toward experimental shopping, and early adopters will win big. What collection themes would work best for your brand? Drop your ideas in comments. If you want more Amazon updates and actionable strategies, hit subscribe, ring the bell, and stay ahead of the curve with Spectrum BPO. See you in the next video.